If you have searched the internet, you know for a fact that most of the pool cleaning businesses have the same kind of template they have used again and again inside their business. And guess what? This is the most common problem that people are facing, because of which they do not have a premium website, premium automation, and with a complete CRM. And that's exactly when you can come in and provide these kind of premium AI created website, which looks absolutely stunning. And guess what? You can easily charge $2,000 to $5,000 for premium website like this built on HIGHLEVEL's AI Studio. And I'm going to quickly do an overview of what's the actual usage and the quality of pool cleaning businesses inside in the US. So let's go ahead and let's deep down. So I'm currently inside the Google Maps, and here I have the search pool cleaning companies in Dalton, and I'm currently checking as to based on which kind of websites are available and what's their quality. Now, in order to sell premium websites like these, you need to look for people who do not have this kind of amazing quality website, because that's exactly when you can say, hey, look at the premium website that we are offering, and it's only for like $3,000. Would you like to take it? Along with this, we're also going to provide you with AI automated chatbot systems so that the conversion AI agent can actually take over any visitor that comes on your website, and you book them for a meeting and schedule them for a visit so that your people can get notified automatically without you having to be online anytime at all. Now, that's the exact pitch that you need to provide to your businesses in your local area. Now, let me quickly show you some of the responses which I am getting here. So, pool cleaning companies in Dalton, right? And I'm able to see some of these businesses, right? And one thing you will be able to notice is that some businesses don't even have, a website. For example, we're just scrolling down and I see this Universal Pool Company that don't even have a website. Now, these are the best target audiences so that you can target them with these kind of premium websites, right? At a one-time setup fee, along with a monthly retainer of the high-level SaaS. Now, that's the main part about it. And some of these websites might not even look good. For example, let's look at this AAA pool service or AAA pool service. Let me really go ahead and take a look at the quality of the website that they are having. Okay, it's pretty simple, blunt, straightforward pool website. It doesn't look anything as close to what we have built here inside AI Studio. And guess what? This looks absolutely stunning. And this is built inside the AI Studio. And this is desktop, tablet, and mobile compatible. Just look at the quality that we are producing here. And this is absolutely mind-boggling. I mean, anybody will say yes to websites like these when they see one, right? And if you can offer them at a discounted rate with a one-time setup fee and offer them discounts, this is going to be a much larger pool of business that you can offer and target. Let me quickly go through the Google Map again and show you some of the other websites that might not be good. For example, this is Pool Dolphins Inc. And let's see what exactly their website looks like. All right, it takes a lot of time for this pool website to load. And okay, there's already showing errors, guys. It's already not working well, because that's not the issue with high-level AI Studio websites. When you feed websites here, it just loads so well. Let me quickly do a refresh and see whether this is going to work or not. And just wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's loading. It's allowed to continue. Okay, this is not going to work, guys. When you have a visitor coming on a website, it can take so much of time in order to load. And most importantly, you do not have any kind of mechanism of conversion on your website. Okay, this is not the right thing to do, right? This is not the way to go forward. I don't want that. Let's go ahead and let's keep searching for some of these potential customers that you could sell to. You also have this Richard Pool cleaning service. And let's take a look at this old school website that was probably done, 25 years ago, and nobody, took a look, and nobody, bothered to even change this, right? Let's look at Lewis Pool Service LLC. Now, okay, they have a very pretty basic template kind of website. Doesn't look good at all. I mean, think about it. If you reach out to the owner of this person, of this company, right, and show him this kind of premium website that he could have for his own pool business, don't you think that this is going to help him convert better and charge better for his pool cleaning services? Apart from that, don't you think that if you integrate on conversion AI, chatbot systems inside your website, do you think that's going to book appointments automatically for visitors who land up on your website? Now, that's the possible solution that you could provide to them. Let's look at that. This is F&M Pool Service. Let me quickly open that and see what kind of solution they have. Okay, this is not great at all. It's probably done about 20, 30 years ago, and nobody bothered to change this. Right? So we also have Skyline Entertainment, no website. Okay, there is a website. And there's Samson Concrete. Let me quickly check this. Okay, family-owned company. Again, it was very simple, very normal. Doesn't look good at all. Right? Apart from that, we have some others. So we have Emery Spec Inspection Services. Let me really see as to what is the quality of this one. Again, very simple, very straightforward, nothing extraordinary here at all, right? So let's go ahead and let's see some of the others. For example, these businesses, which is Blue Island Pool and Spas. Let me quickly check for that. Okay, again, simple, very basic website, doesn't even look good, has a pure templated look, doesn't qualify for a premium website at all. We also have Pool Brothers, and Pool Brothers at the same time is very simple. I mean, they have good photos. Guess what? If you could use photos like this inside your AI studio, which you can just change with one single prompt, it's going to be a game changer, guys. Take their photos from their website if they have good photos, and then add it inside these websites. Change the name to Pool Brothers, and guess what? You send them a demo website that they can have, and it's only pay you $2,000 for this with a $297 of monthly retainer. Now that's the strategy that I have been developing and helping my clients grow. So if you're somebody who wants to implement this, make sure you use this following system. Right. So this is the quality that people have. For example, here Universal Pool Company doesn't even have a website. Deschamps Pool Services LLC doesn't even have a website. All Clear Swimming Pool Services and Repair doesn't have a website. AA Pool I just showed you. And we also have AA Linear Replacement. So let me quickly check that and see as to what is the quality. Again, super basic. Doesn't qualify for a premium website at all. The proportion, everything is not that good at all, right? So Pool Dolphins here, probably I've already checked. Yeah, Pool Dolphins, I've checked it already. Wasn't working well. We also have, let me see, Diamond Pool and Spa. This should look good, but let me see as to what the quality that they're producing and how close it is. Again, this is not going to qualify, guys. This is not going to qualify, based on the quality that we are generating here. So this is probably one of the best websites available on the internet in order for pool services. So if you're somebody who wants to learn all of this and implement for free, then join the high level community, because the high level community is where I take weekly sessions and teach people as to how they can get started with high level using AI for their local businesses so that they can grow their business to a monthly recurring revenue of $10,000 every single month in 6 to 10 months. If you're somebody who's interested in this, make sure you sign up right now. And guess what? Not just that, we're also providing access to our premium community for everybody who joins through our affiliate link of our new joining through High Level. Not just that, if you are somebody who's already using High Level, but you want to upgrade High Level, then you can do it via my link in order for you to get access to the premium community as well as the amazing templates that I have been producing, including the home contractor snapshot, AI studio funnel and website templates, and advanced AI prompts. Let me show you as to what exactly you're getting. You have solar roofing, installation, plumbing, contractor, kitchen, bathroom, roof installation, modern roofing, pool cleaning, auto repair, home restoration, junk removal, home cleaning, gardening and landscaping, auto repair, industrial contractor, HVAC, electrical services. Literally every niche that you can think of inside home service is available there. Not just this, we're also going to have many other niches like real estate, healthcare, med spa, dental, right? Insurance, finance, legal, website design agency, marketing agencies, SaaS agencies. We're going to have everything here inside this premium community, but you only get the access when you, get, through High Level, through our affiliate link or upgrade with it. You can also join the premium community for a one-time lifetime fee. But for that, make sure you join the free community and send me a DM if you're interested, and I'll be happy to help you out. Right? If you have any other question, let me know in the comment box, and I'll be happy to help answer your questions. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next video.
Did my 5th, 6th, 7th project with Pritam, and it came out amazing. The workshop funnel that he built, absolutely amazing looking. Not only the workshop funnel he built us a high ticket funnel as well, and he did a re-sign offer for the high ticket. So it's looking, again, super amazing. If you have been wondering, do I find somebody that can build funnels and does it in a way that matches your brand, is super professional and understands what you want, 100%. Only person that's building our funnels is Pritam and his team. So hire him. You will not regret it.